Hi everyone, today we're going to be building a really cool gaming computer. Here's all our parts. And here's our helper. He's not much help. And there's Charlie. Ready, set, go. We take out the case. And of course, we couldn't get the back off the case. Why? It just wouldn't come off. But I knew why. We just had to put it on the floor. Hey! Step 2. Get some pressure on it and it came right off. Next was the power supply. That was pretty simple, but we should have waited and put it on later because it was in the way after. Then we put the gigabit motherboard on. That was pretty simple, a bunch of screws. Not sure why I did it twice. I think I just wanted to make sure of the level of the motherboard. Next, there was a bracket to put on between the power supply and the motherboard. That way the graphics card could be installed sort of standing in front, so the fans would be on display. But the power supply was in the way. We could put the bracket on, but we couldn't adjust it at all without taking the whole thing apart. So we did that a few times till we got it right. Eventually, we got everything together. A few more times, and then finally it was installed. And then the memory. That's what we're doing. All right, we're going to finish the computer build today, day 2. Hello! Today we're going to finish it. We're into hour 3-ish. Starting now. So next we have the liquid cooler. So we have to install the fans on top of the radiator. Then we had to place the radiators onto the frame. Those tubes that go to the CPU could have been an inch longer. Just an inch longer would have made it much easier to install. They're kind of tight, hope they don't leak eventually. They shouldn't. Screwed those in. Then we had all kinds of wires to install. For the front panel, for all the LED lights of the liquid cooler fans, and then there's so many wires, Medusa of wires. Then we put on the feet, got it standing up. Ready?
Ooh, the bottom light doesn't work.
Which one?
The fan.
Which one?
The
Here?
bottom. The other one.
Oh, that sucks.
I guess we didn't plug it in.
It's close. So now we diagnose why does the light on the fan not work. Ended up being one of the wires was just sort of flipped. And that's it. It was very simple.
On.
Yay! Now the white ones. Oh yeah!
There we go. Now the white one. It takes a second.
Woohoo! All the lights are there.
Now it's all working. We put the front glass piece on, tempered glass, installed windows. I've never seen windows install so fast on the machine. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.